In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export audio on Soundation. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Exporting audio requires an upgraded Soundation account. This walkthrough is designed to show you exactly how the process works, so you know what to expect. Let's start with exporting your entire mix. Look to the right side of the studio interface and find the export icon, the one that looks like an arrow. Click that to open the export options. Here you'll choose your file format. MP3 low-res creates a smaller file that's quick to share, while MP3 high-res offers better quality at a slightly larger size. If you want full-quality, uncompressed audio for mastering or archiving, choose WAV. A good rule of thumb is WAV for the highest fidelity, MP3 for convenience. Before you confirm the export, take a moment to check two important settings in your project. First, make sure your loop region covers exactly the section you want to export. If you intend to export the whole song, drag the loop markers so they span the entire arrangement from start to finish. Anything outside that loop won't be included. Second, ensure no tracks are soloed. A soloed track can cause parts of your mix to be missing or the export to come out silent, so it's best to clear any solos before exporting. Once your loop region and solo settings are correct, go ahead and export. Soundation will render your mix and provide a download of your chosen format. If you only need a specific element, like a single clip or an individual channel, you can export that on its own. Right-click the clip or the channel header you want to export. Then select Export Clip as WAV MIDI. Audio clips will export as WAV, while MIDI clips can be exported as MIDI if applicable. Just like with the full mix, check that your loop region covers the exact part you intend to export and that nothing is accidentally soloed. This helps avoid surprises and ensures you get the precise section you need. A few practical tips as you work. Preview your looped section in the timeline to confirm it starts and ends cleanly, and consider leaving a small margin at the beginning if you have effects like reverbs or delays that need time to fade in naturally. And that's it. Click the export icon for your full mix and choose MP3 or WAV, or right-click a clip or channel to export that specific piece as WAV or MIDI, making sure your loop region and solo settings are correct. You're ready to export with confidence in Soundation.